Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning how to use Jetpatch's patch compliance rules. During the course of the video, there'll be pause breaks. It is highly recommended to pause and try out the feature yourself during these breaks. Patch compliance rules allows the user to make sure their endpoints are only patching what they need to patch. In addition, the rules created help ensure your endpoint compliance generated in the Endpoints Management tab is realistically calculated based on the patches you need. Today, we will be learning about patch compliance rules and how to set it up. To start off, let's select the gear icon at the very top. This will present the option to calculate your endpoint compliance based on the rules you create. I highly recommend turning this on when using patch compliance rules. Next, let's head over to Patches Catalog. This is where we'll be making a saved task for the patches we would like to exclude from patching. For example purposes, I would like to create a save task for .NET patches, as I would like to exclude them from my Windows machines. To do this, I'll be searching for .NET, selecting Saved Filters, Save As, giving it a name, and finally selecting Save Filter. Remember, these are the patches I am excluding from my endpoints. Let's pause here to create a save filter on your end. Once the save filter has been created, we need to make sure we have tagged the machines we would like this save filter applied to. To do this, let's go to Platform Configuration in the top right corner and sort down on my desired endpoints. I can do this by searching for Windows under the OS filter. I now want to create a tag for these machines. To create a tag, simply select Manage Tags, New Tag, and then type in the name you would like. In my case, I will call it Windows. Next, select all of the machines you would like tagged. Select Manage Tags, find the tag you just created, and then select Assign Selected. You can tell that the machines have been assigned the desired tag as the tags filter will show it over here. Let's pause here to set up your tags. The last part of the process is setting up the patch compliance rule. To get there, let's select Jetpatch in the top right. Go to System, Compliance, and finally select Add Exclusion Rule. We will give it a name, select the save filter and tags that we created in the previous steps, and hit Create. It's also important to understand how this table works. Some important things to remember are that you can disable this rule at any time by selecting Edit and disabling the rule over here. This is easy to see by looking at the status column to see if the rule is enabled or disabled. In addition, to see how many endpoints are being affected by your rule, see the Affected Endpoints column over here. The number can be clicked on to see each endpoint individually. Once here, we can see that Win EP4 needs 92 patches when the compliance setting is turned off. I can see that the setting is off by looking at the top right corner of the page. Let's see what happens when I turn the setting on. To do this, click the gear icon, switch it on, and hit Save. Now, when I go back to look at Win EP4, I can see that there are only 89 patches available to patch, and my endpoint compliance is higher as I will not be patching the .NET patches for this endpoint. That's about it for the patch compliance rules. To give a brief overview, create a save filter, tag your endpoints, and create the rule. Simple as that.